Hi, my name is Keith Cioli. I'm the CEO and founder of Golf Live. We provide live virtual golf instruction to golfers all around the world. Through our patented live replay technology and video and recording technology, we're able to get on a live call with golfers all around the world and analyze their swings in real time utilizing live replay and annotation technology. My main business results while working with the onX team are that we have a completely redone, rebuilt platform that's scalable and able to provide solutions as we continue to grow and evolve with the architecture that they were able to put together. As far as the impact of the company that onX has made, they have completely redone the platform and made it appealing, but also scalable, workable, and totally revamped the user experience, as well as our partners and shareholders' confidence in being able to place this and infuse this into different ecosystems around the world. My favorite thing about onX, to be quite honest, the tech is amazing, the stack is amazing, how they've put everything together is fantastic, but really the transparency and the ability to talk to them on a daily basis and be able to get clear answers has been extremely important to us. And as we're growing as a company, I've worked with other tech teams in the past that are pretty strict on talking to you once every 2 weeks, and as a company it can feel pretty handicapped, in those gaps. And so the ability for us to be talking not only to a chief of staff but also the dev team themselves over at onX has been crucial in our success and our communication as we've totally rebuilt Golf Live and our future. I would say that working with onX, as far as, just like I said, my favorite thing is the ability to have transparent communication, and that is so crucial when building something from ground up. And so that has been a massive benefit. And the other benefit is the tech stack itself and the product that came to fruition and that is currently being used by many people around the world. I would say that prior to that, we had to handhold a lot of different situations, and due to onX's flow and the expertise that was put in from the design all the way to implementation has allowed for a scalable product for users to get on, use it, and not have to be handheld through every single process. And the third benefit, I would say, when you give an idea and you give a design, they have a team capable of going out and building it. There hasn't been a single time throughout our extremely complex tech stack that onX has had to put pause to research for months on end to figure out how to go do something. So they are really capable of building out extremely complex tech stacks and making them work in a seamless manner, and they have somebody somewhere within their ecosystem that they can immediately pull in, and that's been a massive help. I would say that at times there have been some deadlines and timelines that maybe were the minimum viable product got released here with the expectation that it was actually going to be all encompassing, and so then we have to piece things together, and maybe that's partly our fault, and maybe a communication of what exactly would be released instead of we're going to release live replay and live stream, but really it's just we're releasing this button but not the whole thing, right? So there's some things in that nature that maybe could be relayed a little bit more clearly as to what exactly is going to get released, but we also have been moving very quickly, so it's understandable. Absolutely, I would recommend y'all to colleagues. I would recommend y'all to the open market and everybody. I have absolutely loved working with onX. That's my number one favorite quality, as I already mentioned. So being able to communicate on a daily basis has been crucial. And we are in Texas, and onX is in Ukraine and other various locations, yet it feels like we're talking on a daily basis in a very seamless manner, and that's very appreciated. I would rate it very high. I think that the organization itself, from each person doing what their role is, what their expertise is very clear and laid out, and project management has been fantastic. I would say that if there was any improvement in the project management side, it would just be understanding how long something is really genuinely going to take versus just that MVP, like I had mentioned earlier. But the overall organization and management itself has been really fantastic. And anytime we had a concern, they were taken with open arms versus defensive. So Onyx has tried to work with us in every single situation. As closing comments, I would say that the team itself has been really fantastic to work with, all the way from the dev team to the management team. Everybody has been extremely friendly, extremely smart, and willing to go the extra mile and work really, really hard in order to help us accomplish our company needs and goals, despite really tight timelines. So we have really seen a phenomenal foundation laid, and then it comes full circle, just a short period of time later on, and that is due to y'all's expertise. And so we're extremely grateful and looking forward to work long-term and partner long-term with Onyx on all of our development and tech needs.